Railway tracks require regular inspection, maintenance, and cleaning. Autonomous robots can perform such tasks safely. A novel robot platform by Servail even operates under running trains, avoiding track closure and increasing their capacity. Robot arms are essential for cleaning and some inspection tasks. Their mechanics must be simple and robust for harsh outdoor conditions. Visevi's camera-based encoders use computer vision to control robot arms. The software determines joint angles by tracking markers on the arm. This sensorless design simplifies mechanics and works with low-cost motors or hydraulics. Vegetation control is an important part of track maintenance. Yet, for a robot, it is hard to grasp plants due to their fine structures. Smart detection algorithms and adapted fingers ensure reliable grasps. In this prototype from Visevi Robotics, the robot targets plants one at a time, eliminating the need for the currently necessary use of environmentally harmful chemicals. Railway companies across Europe look into using robotics for maintenance along tracks. Visevi Robotics has worked on this project with DB Mindbox. To learn more about camera-based robot arms and intelligent grasping, have a look at the following videos and visit us at visevi.com.